Now, the fury of monsoon is in its full swing across northern India, causing rivers to overswell and causing a lot of damage to key infrastructure. Let's get you more details specifically as to what's happening in Jammu. Now, a critical flood situation is unfolding in Jammu and Kashmir as a continuous rainfall pushed major rivers past danger levels, putting thousands at risk. The Chenab River at Akhnur has breached the danger mark of 35 feet, surging past it. In fact, the evacuation level at 42 feet and any further rainfall could spell disaster across the region. In Udhampur specifically, the Tavi River rose nearly 8 feet in just 90 minutes, crossing its evacuation threshold of 23.4 feet. Now visuals on your screen in fact showing you the fury of monsoon and how the river, specifically Tavi River, is overflowing, swelling up due to continuous rainfall in the region. Now, experts have warned their viewers that if this surge continues, Jammu city could face flooding within hours. In fact, the situation in South Kashmir's Kulgam is equally grim. The Vishau Nala is swelling dangerously and could breach flood marks by morning, which means could happen in a few hours, in fact, from now. Non-stop rainfall across the valley is worsening this crisis by the hour, in fact. We're getting you visuals from Akhnur right now. You can see how the rivers have been swelling up due to continuous rainfall in the region. In Srinagar as well, anxiety is rising. The trauma of 2014 deluge still fresh in people's mind, in fact. Now officials have suspended the Sri Mata Vaishno Devi Yatra for the 8th consecutive day, and the Jammu-Srinagar highway is once again cut off. Remember, it is the key infrastructure, including the bridges and the national highways specifically, which have been bearing the brunt of continuous rainfall in the region. All schools are also shut across Jammu and Kashmir. Class 10th and 11 exams stand cancelled as of now, and a heavy rainfall alert remains in effect across Jammu until tomorrow afternoon. So which means the next few hours will be crucial for the region, where rivers have been flowing over and above their danger mark, and rainfall continues in the region. We're getting you visuals from Kathua as well, where you can see how rivers have been flowing above their danger mark in full spate, in fact.